Hey, I'm Eric with Rotomaster. When it comes to heavy-duty turbocharger replacement, it's not just a repair, it's downtime. And downtime costs money, miles, and customers. Heavy-duty engines like Cummins, Detroit Diesel, and PACCAR, class 6 through 8, they're running hot, under load, and for long hours. And when something goes wrong, it's not always just the turbo. Electronic components like actuators, speed sensors play a critical role. If the actuator's off, you're dealing with boost issues. If the speed sensor fails, now you're looking at improper operation, even engine derate. That's why at Rotomaster, we don't just focus on the turbo, we support the full system. Our heavy-duty lineup includes brand new turbochargers, matched actuators, speed sensors, all designed to work together. No cores, no waiting, just new parts ready to install. Every Rotomaster turbo is built with 100% brand new components. Our compressor and turbine wheel assemblies are triple balanced, so you get smoother operation, less vibration, and longer turbo life under heavy loads. And they're engineered to OE matching fit and function, so installation is seamless and performance is exactly what you expect for your fleet. Each unit comes installation ready, with a pre-lube syringe helping protect the turbo on startup and ensuring immediate reliability. You've also got gaskets included, so you're not stopping mid-job trying to track down parts. As turbocharger specialists, we bring decades of experience to every unit. And if you need it, our technical support team is there to help with install, diagnostics, and troubleshooting. Because in heavy duty, comebacks don't just cost time. They cost miles, customers, and revenue. With Rotomaster, you're getting proven performance, reliability, and the confidence to get the job done right the first time.